You have tuned into Infamous Wisdom, the new how-to series on improving or ruining everyday life. Today we explore teeth sharpening.
Hello viewers, one day our friend Luis read us a book called Rotten Island. Here he is now. Battles raged, it was war. Every rotten one was equally fierce and bit clawed, spat fire and deadly fumes, hurled rocks and burning lava. His name is William Steig.
My hero. I think I'm gonna start smoking.
The book got us thinking. Maybe sharpened teeth will be kind of useful.
Step 1. Carefully consider the decision to sharpen your teeth.
Wow, that's so cool. Wow.
Oopa, it's time for the show.
Oh, what? Oh, coming! I'll be there in a second.
So first, let's talk about the advantages.
Oh, we can really mess up our enemies whenever we want.
We could eat corn on the cob a lot easier.
While searching through the pantry one day, Oopa discovered another use for sharpened teeth.
What? Is this a dream come true? Bottle won't open, just bite it off. I feel awful. Why did you let me do that, Klaus?
Oopa and Claus decided to Google the topic. They were surprised to learn that some people on Earth view sharpened teeth as an object of beauty.
Here's a young tribal woman from Eritrea.
And a pygmy girl, she reminds me of Floozy.
But she looks nothing like your girlfriend, Oopa. This lady is from Sumatra.
Still undecided, Oopa and Claus sought professional advice. Oopa and Claus paid a visit to Dr. Carlos. She patiently explained that filing teeth removes the enamel and exposes the dentine. Protecting dentine is extremely important because it is susceptible to infection and rot.
Blah, blah. I want to try these out on you. Open wide, Klaus.
Oopa and Claus decided to get a second opinion from a spiritual leader. She said our brain can often solve complicated questions if we give it a chance. She suggested they sleep on it.
Hey, Oopa.
You can go to sleep, but I'm not.
Now I get a chance to think about it. The girl from Indonesia looked like she was gonna cry. Something that painful. I don't wanna do that.
Oopa, on the other hand, did what he always does, found something inappropriate to watch at bedtime. It's morning now, time for step 3, make a decision.
Well, have you made a decision yet?
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Whether you like it or not.
Think. Oh yeah, that bug video. That's a great idea. Oh, Oopa! Look at that bug video. What bug video? Oh.
Wow.
Phew, that was a close call.
It seems that Oopa and Claus had sped past step 4, do not sharpen your teeth. They were doing things like taking walks, exploring nature, and sorting beans. But you never know.
Oopa, I just wanted to say I'm sorry I didn't let you sharpen my teeth. I didn't mean to make you sad.
No hard feelings, I got my chance.
What do you mean?
I did it to your dog, Crunch.
Oh, Oopa, you couldn't have.
Oh, Joe, sucker!